fry it. Okay, so we'll just season it with salt and pepper. And season it with salt and pepper. Oops. So I'm also going to put some oregano. And oregano, dried oregano. Dried oregano. Okay, so we're now going to put our sun-dried tomatoes or red pesto sauce. I'm putting red pesto sauce. Okay, there. And I'm going to just spread this. So I think I need... Okay. And then after that, I'm going to put some mozzarella. Here's the mozzarella cheese. About 2. There at the middle. And then we put our basil leaves. Okay. We're going to fold this carefully. Fold this carefully. And so we're going. So at this point, I'm going to secure this with toothpicks. Okay. Here. And then this side, just going to press it like so. There. And then, okay. So this is how our chicken will look like when it's going to bake. So just stuff it in. Okay. Ayan. So I'm going to preheat the oven for 5 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And then we will cook this for 20 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, you can use a cast iron pan like I did. Yeah, so there's the chicken cooking away in our oven. Okay. And here is Ziggy waiting for the chicken to be cooked. Ayan. Ziggy is waiting for the chicken. There is Ziggy. Ayan, very near the oven. Ziggy is very near the oven waiting for the chicken to be cooked. Hi Ziggy, say hi Ziggy. Hi Ziggy. And so I'm now ready to plate this up.